What's for dinner, Mom? Oh, some zesty chicken breast with capers, some rice and broccoli. Cook dinner with me on a random Tuesday night for my family of 4 plus lunch for that lady's son that I married for tomorrow. You're gonna need the Old Faithfuls, lemon pepper seasoning, garlic powder, a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, 2 lemons, a jar of brined capers, some avocado oil, 2 sticks of butter, chicken broth, oregano, and parsley. You'll also need a little flour. You'll start with your washed, split, and tenderized chicken breasts. In a bowl, combine your chicken breasts and all of those seasonings except for the parsley. Wash and dry both lemons. Zest 1 lemon over your chicken. Zest the other lemon over a small container. Juice both lemons into the container where you have the reserved zest. And set the container aside for your sauce. Massage your seasonings and zest into your chicken breasts. Add flour to a plate, all of your seasonings except your parsley to that flour, and dredge your chicken in the flour mixture. Heat your skillet on medium-high heat. Add a little avocado oil and half a stick of butter to the pan. When that's hot, add your chicken in batches. Brown each piece well on both sides, 3 to 5 minutes per side. Set aside your chicken breasts, and then you want to turn down your pan to about medium. Add your chicken broth, then add your lemon zest and lemon juice, all of the seasonings that you used on your chicken, and your capers, about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup, but you can add as much as you prefer. Then you'll add your other half stick of butter and allow that to melt into your sauce as your sauce cooks down. When that sauce is reduced by about 1/3, you want to add your chicken breast back to that pan, cover the pan for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then baste your chicken with that sauce, being sure to pull the capers from underneath the chicken breast. Cover the pan again for about 5 minutes or so, and then flip your chicken breasts over, baste them again, remembering to pull those capers from underneath the chicken breasts. It should not take more than 10 minutes or so for your chicken breasts to finish cooking. Whatever sides you want to serve with this dish should already be made. I decided to pair it with jasmine rice, which takes about 23 to 24 minutes to prepare, and steamed broccoli, which doesn't take more than 5 or 6 minutes. While there are several steps, this meal can absolutely be done in under 40 minutes, and you can speed it up by skipping zesting and juicing a lemon by using bottled lemon juice. You will sacrifice on some of the flavor though, but you won't save enough time to make it worth it. And now you add your parsley, not just for color, but for flavor as well. When you plate this dish, you want to be sure to put some of that sauce over your meat and over your sides. Delicious.